Sweetone Industries earns customers' confidence every day with the quality and precision of our products. We are an engineering company with the right knowledge and experience to become a global one-stop solution for miniature sheet metal stamping components. Established in 1957 with a vision to manufacture radio eyelets and other stamping parts for the electronic industry, we have been leading manufacturers with a long and varied range of products. Our facility has state-of-the-art technology to manufacture eyelets like conventional eyelets, step eyelets, feature eyelets, yielded terminals, wire terminals like ring terminals, male and female terminals, customized products, and assemblies. Our capacity stands at 50 million pieces per month, manufactured with micron precision suitable for clients in diverse industries such as automotive, electronics, multimedia and car speaker, cycle industries, energy meter, and this list goes on. We comply with various certifications such as IATF, ISO, CE, ROHS, salt spray test to meet industry standards and specifications. One of our key facets is the in-house tooling and research and development facility, which ensures that we meet specifications, enhance the product, and add value by improving the timelines and production standards. With machines and tooling to operate at 50 to 500 strokes per minute, we are the only company offering deep draw and other stamping operations under one roof. Our quality control lab is equipped to inspect and eliminate all kinds of downtimes and waste. As a value-added service, we offer various assembly and integration operations, with client-friendly customs being the cherry on top. With Pan-India and a broad distribution and supplier base, experience in just-in-time deliveries, and the agility to adjust the supply chain system. As our client, you get the best delivery experience. Our journey and vision can easily be summarized in the content of our satisfied clients. Being a process-driven organization with a customer-centric system and years of experience in the field of technology, reaching for the peak of efficiency, precision, and effectiveness makes Sweetone Industries Private Limited your trusted partner for original equipment manufacturers and industrial supplies.